What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's TJ here, Sharkey's Detailing Tint, and today, as you can see behind me, we have this beautiful blue Bentley Continental GT. Now, this owner is going to be getting a one-step paint correction and ceramic coating. She actually just picked up the car on Thursday, which is about 2 days ago from when I'm shooting this video, and she's ready to get it ceramic coated before it ever even hits the road. So I'm going to take you for a little walk around the car and just show you a couple features and cool things about it, and then we're going to get straight into the process. So as mentioned, this is a Bentley Continental GT. This is a 2026, brand new. It has this really nice front end. I really like how they did the grille on this. It is very shiny. And then in the headlights too, especially when they light up, the light actually reflects off all these little diamond shapes, and it looks awesome. I'll get you a video of that in a bit. It has these really nice large wheels, and it has this really nice dark blue color. Along with the dark blue convertible top, this is actually a hybrid as well, so this thing is very fast. I believe it makes about 770 horsepower and around 740 foot-pounds of torque, so definitely a pretty quick car, I'd say. Here's the key fob, which also has this really cool design on the side, but let's show you how these lights look, because I think it looks phenomenal. Look at that. I mean, just a really nice idea by them. Really great design concept. Looks amazing. Just completes the whole front end with this whole sparkly look they got going on. Moving on to this interior, it's about what you'd expect. It's just as nice as the exterior. It's got this really nice blue to match the outside. Wood grain, some diamond stitching, really nice seats, a ton of customization and different options for the seats. Looks like heated, ventilated, and probably a few other things. A couple screen here in the middle as well for the speedometer and tachometer and all that good stuff. And then there's more blue on the dash, the steering wheel, and then ambient lighting, as you can see right over here across on the door. So very, very nice. So again, as mentioned, we are going to be doing a paint correction and ceramic coating. The main things is it's going to get out these light scratches you see right here. And then when we do the ceramic coating, it's going to go on all the paint, all the plastics, all of the glass, the rims, and even the convertible top. A lot of people don't know you can actually ceramic coat convertible tops, and that's going to make it really easy to keep clean. Especially down here in Florida, we get a lot of pollen around this time of year, so it's going to make it really easy to get all that off. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, we just finished up. Let's take a look around and see how it looks. I stretch my head, but my grip just goes up. As you can see, this Bentley is absolutely flawless, and now that it's ceramic coated, it's going to stay that way. Now what the ceramic coating does, it's going to make maintenance super easy, so when you're doing your monthly car washes or bi-weekly, however often you like to do it, cleaning the car is going to be super easy. Getting stuff off like love bugs, especially right now, this time of year, they're everywhere. That's going to be super easy. Just overall, the water is going to bead off really, really nice, and anytime it rains, it's going to wash a majority of the dirt off. Now you still have to wash the car yourself every once in a while, either touchless or doing it yourself at your house. Now, I know some people don't like doing that, so if you're one of those people, just do that every 2 or 3 months and do a touchless wash at least every month, just keeping the car clean, keeping it looking good. Now this car was done with our 5-year ceramic coating, which is warranted for the full 5 years, so this client won't have to worry about anything for quite a while now. And if you are someone who has just recently bought a Bentley or any other car, we don't discriminate, feel free to give us a call or text and we can get you a quote on this package or any of our other packages. We can find out what's best for you and get you set up and get your car looking good. Until then, see you guys in the next one.